Hey everyone, it's Kevin. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video and I apologize, but I wanted to share some exciting news about a project I've been working on for the past year. It's a course I've partnered with CG Boost on called Master Grease Pencil in Blender. This is something I wanted to create for some time and I'm very happy to announce it's available now. If you don't know what Grease Pencil is, it's a tool within Blender that allows you to draw 2D and 3D space. Since learning Blender, it's become a primary tool that I've really loved implementing into my workflow because of its versatility. I've also created a few tutorials on it, like this bakery and cake, and if you've ever done those, thanks so much. This course was a way for me to expand on those videos and create something more in depth. In this course, I'll walk through creating this medieval fantasy village scene from start to finish, all with using Grease Pencil. This is for anyone that has no experience with it and wants to learn, or if you're interested in achieving a 2D and 3D aesthetic featured in many of my videos. You don't need to know how to draw, and it's meant to be a general primer on the tool. This is so that you can learn the fundamentals and supplement whatever creative skills you possess in illustration, animation, design, etc., or other interests you might have. The first part of the course will be focused on learning the tool, and later we'll integrate it with other Blender objects and features. We'll start with an overview of Grease Pencil, drawing in 3D space, and the various interaction modes we can use with it. Some exercises and project files like this 2D and 3D scene will also be available to download and check out. In Chapter 3, we'll use what we've learned to create our first building, which will be the start of the village scene. In Chapter 4, we'll build out the village and work on it in segments. And for the purposes of learning, this scene will be created primarily with Grease Pencil. Lastly, in Chapter 5, we'll do an overview of animating with the tool and work on it in segments like before. Then we'll finalize it and render it out. We are working on more content coming to the course soon, covering more exciting Grease Pencil techniques and workflows specifically geared towards a 2D and 3D hybrid one, so stay tuned. You can get early access to this course now by going to the CG Boost website or by clicking the link in the description. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have fun and enjoy it. Also, thanks again to everyone that's created a bakery and cake. I really love seeing everyone's work that tagged me on social media, and it's been amazing to see the different variations. The past few months have been pretty challenging for me with different projects, so it was hard to stay consistent with uploads. But I now have more time to focus on it, returning to a normal schedule, and I'll continue creating new videos and tutorials. I just cannot believe it's almost the end of the year. Thanks again to everyone that supported me and the channel so far, I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks again, and see you guys next time.